Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on ROG Phone 9 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to manage your Google account. Now click on data and privacy, and then you have to scroll all the way down and click on delete your Google account. And now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes, then click delete account. And now your account is removed, so open Google Play Store and click sign in. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so I have to click next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. And then click I agree. Then click accept. Now you can click get started and click use password. And here you have to enter your password again. And now, as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.